Question 11, use the triangle below to answer the following questions. So we want to find the measure of angle A, measure of angle B, and then the third side AB. So let's start with angle A. That's what's asking for first. And we'll label our sides. So I have the opposite and I have the adjacent. So that tells me if I'm choosing out of sine, cosine, tangent, I'm going to use tangent because tangent equals opposite over adjacent. So tangent of angle A, that's the angle we're trying to find, is 19 over 23. And now we want to get tangent by, or we want to get rid of tangent, we want to get A by itself. So the opposite of tangent is tangent inverse. And we have to take that on the left and right side of the equation because we have to keep it balanced. So A equals inverse tangent of 19 over 23. So inverse tangent, 19 over 23, and make sure you're in degrees. We're rounding to one decimal place. So 39.6 is angle A. And then remember that the two opposite angles in a right triangle add to 90. So to find B, I'm going to subtract that from 90, which is 50.4. All right, what's the measure of AB? So now we want to find this, the hypotenuse. You can use Pythagorean theorem, you can use trig. When you're finding the hypotenuse, I like to use Pythagorean theorem just because it goes pretty quick. You square the sides, and then you take the square root of that. That's your answer. So 19 squared plus 23 squared. And then you take the square root of that value. So 29.8. Oh, two decimal places. 29.83. And I'm not putting degrees there because it's a side length. Only angles need degrees.